If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. All the money in the world doesn't mean a thing if you don't have time to enjoy it. Time is money, says the proverb, but turn it around and you get a precious truth. Money is time. If you lose money, you lose much. If you lose friends, you lose more. If you lose faith, you lose all. Money is like an arm or leg. Use it or lose it. If a man's religion does not affect his use of money, that man's religion is vain. Study how to do the most good and let the pay take care of itself. Success makes success, like money makes money. You either make sense or you make money. Where any view of money exists, art cannot be carried on. The jingling of a fat purse always commands the world. Money hasn't any value of its own. It represents the stored-up energy of men and women and is really just someone's promise to pay a certain amount of that energy. I finally know what distinguishes man from the other beasts: financial worries. Advertising is the art of convincing people to spend money they don't have for something they don't need. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. The money you have gives you freedom. The money you pursue enslaves you. Owning capital is not a productive activity. A man is rich in proportion to the number of things he can afford to let alone. The lack of money is the root of all evil. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. Most people struggle financially because they take advice from salespeople, not rich people. It is better to have a permanent income than to be fascinating. The safe way to double your money is to fold it over once and put it in your pocket. Money is the best deodorant. Money is the wise man's religion. Money should be used to help others. If a person gets his attitude toward money straight, it will help straighten out almost every other area in his life. Having money is a way of being free of money. Savings will not make you rich. Only canny investments do that. The role of savings is to keep you from becoming poor. Don't think money does everything, or you're going to end up doing everything for money. You aren't wealthy until you have something money can't buy. It's a kind of spiritual snobbery that makes people think they can be happy without money. When a man says money can do anything, that settles it. He hasn't got any. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. If you can actually count your money, then you're not a rich man.